Okay, let's get started. So first I'm going to open up the Lightroom app. This is where I have my presets. As you can see, I've applied the filter. But when I've had the filter, you can see that I have white showing in my eyeliner area. So I'm going to save the photo and we're going to go take care of this using another free app. There you can see the before and after. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Picsart, which is another free app. Inside of Picsart, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and you can see this is the after. And after I've done the editing, as you can see, I no longer have that weird like white area just being glaring from the filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over and show you guys how to do this from the beginning. And again, both of these apps are completely free. So put your photo that you edited and use the draw tool. We're going to select the brush. And I'm going to go ahead and use the brush. You can see the one I've selected here. I'm going to do a smaller size and put the opacity on about like 25%. This makes it a little bit easier to do the editing. Then we're going to open up the color selecting tool. I'm going to go ahead and select the color around the eyelid area, and actually this color is just a little bit too brownish purple, so I'm going to go ahead and select black so that it matches my mascara eyelash section and you won't be able to tell when the photo is zoomed out. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size of the brush here to do a smaller area, and then I'm going to go back in here and just make a couple extra. You can kind of play around with this, it's kind of fun, but as you can see, it's super simple to do, and it just takes the photo and makes it just look a little bit better, because that is what social media is about. We're making impressions. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to apply this, like if you had a pimple or something. I'm going to be erasing the freckle on top of my nose using the color correcting tool again. Just select the color that's around the area and select the brush and just go back and forth. And you have just like color corrected the other area. So here's the before and after. Super simple, like you guys, this is really easy. And then you save the photo and that's it. I hope this was helpful.